Alright, back again with the Dreamcast, and today I want to tell you about a simple fix that you can do to the Dreamcast, and a common problem that happens with these things. Probably the most common problem that happens is these controller ports here wind up going out. And the reason why they go out is usually from suddenly removing the cord from the front ports itself, putting them in at a wrong time, and jolts the system just a bit to where the controller ports stop working. So no matter which port, like A, B, C, or D, you put it in, you're still not going to get any movement. So what you need to do first is take off the modem off the side, flip it over, and there's going to be 4 Phillips screws. There's one over here, one in the back, and then you can see one right here. Easy access, just take out those 4 screws and you're going to get the lid to pop right off. And once you get the top off, you're going to look down here, and right near the controller ports, you can see 2 things. There's a greenish bluish colored resistor here, and there's a brown resistor here. Now what happens is either one of these winds up popping, and that causes your controller ports to stop working. So you can do one of 2 things. There's something called the poor man's fix, which I like to call it, and then there's fixing it the right way. Depending on how much time or what you're doing at the time, either way will work. Definitely doing it the proper way is best, but I'll tell you about both of them. Probably best way to start would be to start with the blue and green colored one, and take a pair of needle nose pliers. Make sure you have this thing disconnected. Take the needle nose pliers, put it around here, and twist it. Twist it so both points make contact. So you basically create a connection between the 2 sides. And then after you get done with that, you can put your disc on here. Get a piece of tape. Any kind of tape will do. You can see the switch back here. This is the switch that tells the machine that the door is closed. Get a piece of tape or a rubber band, put that on here and make sure that that's all the way back, and then turn the power switch on if you want to, and try and go through the game selection. If you want to do it without a game, that's okay too. It'll just bring you up to the main menu, and with your controller in, just press left or right and see if you can get movement. If you can get movement, it's this one. Alright. If you still can't get any movement, then try and do the same thing to this one. And either way you do it, you're going to wind up getting the controller to start working again. That's just the way it works. Like I said, I recommend going with the green and blue one first. If you want to do a quick fix, just try and twist it together, and make sure the 2 connections are together, pop the power on, and see if it works. And if it works, problem solved. You can go on playing your games, or you can just go on doing whatever with the machine, and you shouldn't have any problems. If you want to do it the right way, like I said, get the correct resistors for each side, replace them one at a time, and you should have your Dreamcast up and running again in a short time. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you for now. Like I said, it only takes a matter of minutes if you want to fix it the poor man's way. If you want to do it the correct way, yeah, it might take you 10 minutes or something like that. Nothing too bad, as long as you got the parts. But like always, I'll put up another video here soon, so thanks for watching.